buddy. McCall! Get out of my way, McCall! It's a small gym, buddy. I'm gonna find you. I got you, McCall. Come here. Come here. Get out of my way, McCall!
Danny, dance with me.
What?
Dance with me.
No.
Please, right now, come on.
McCall! You're not supposed to. What the hell are you? What the hell are you doing?
Yes, Coach?
Okay. Hold on. I was just saying he was not supposed to. I mean, I wasn't saying that he shouldn't. You guys don't think. I was just dance, everybody. Just dance. It's a dance. It's a party.
There's a universe inside my mind.
Thanks, dude. I owe you.
Things that are meant to